Hello everyone and welcome to the Happy Learning Club Foundational English course. In the first class, we are going to talk about self-introduction. So this is where we learn to ask questions and answer questions about ourselves. So in this class, I will tell you about me and you can tell me about you. Let's get started. So please go to your Foundational English course book. If you don't have it, you can download the worksheets below. And then we go to page 4. So here we can read the questions together and then I will tell you my answer and you tell me your answer. Okay, question 1. What's your name? Hello, my name is Teacher Byron. What's your name? So you say, hello, my name is... Very good. Question 2. How old are you? I am 30 years old. How old are you? I am years old. Very good. Question 3. How are you? I'm great. I'm happy. How are you? I'm good. Next one. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Australia. I'm from Australia. Where are you from? I'm from... Very good. Next question is, where do you live? Where do you live? For me, I live in Thailand, Chayapum. I live in Chayapum. Where do you live? I live in... Very good. Excellent. The next one. What school do you go to? So this is a school. What school do you go to? I go to Sunton Watana School. I go to Sunton Watana School. What school do you go to? I go to school. Very good. What about at school? What subject do you like? What subject do you like? I like English. I like science. What about you? What subject do you like? Good. And then what about what subject don't you like? Ask together, what subject don't you like? I don't like math. I don't like history. What about you? What subject don't you like? I don't like... Very good. That's me. Good. Now let's do it again and read the questions and answers together to practice. What's your name? Hello, my name is... Good. How old are you? I am years old. Very good. How are you? I'm... Very good. Where are you from? I'm from. Good. Where do you live? I live in. Very good. Remember to read together. What school do you go to? I go to school. Good. Next question about subject. What subject do you like? I like. Good. And then what subject don't you like? I don't like. Very good. That's me. So practice asking these questions to your mommy, your daddy, your friends, your teachers, and then tell them your answer. And so practice talking to your friends, asking questions, and after you're ready, I will see you in the next class. Take care, good luck, have fun, see you later.